Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video, and look what just arrived is the Redmi 9T. So the Redmi 9T that I got is in 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and I decided to go for the 108 because one is there's not much review about it, and second about it is that any big difference with the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So let's get to the unboxing first and let's get right into it. Okay, let's take a look around the boxes. There's a 6000 mAh battery stated in here. On the side, the Redmi 9T. On the top, it's nothing. Side as well as Redmi 9T. And here is the one that I got, 6GB RAM, carbon black, and 128GB of storage. So let's open it up. And then we'll check out what's this. SIM injector pin, some user guide, warranty cards, and a TPU case, which is pretty neat. Let's put that aside. Here's the phone itself. There's no pull tabs, so going on like that. Oh, there is actually on the side. 48MP, 6000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 662, and the door drop display. So back of it, it looks very glossy. Let's open it up. The whole Redmi texture, and the back of it, the texture is not the same as the Redmi 9, but there is texture to it, but it's not as obvious as the Redmi 9. So let's put that aside. There's additional tabs, charging brick, and the USB-C cable. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Remember to stay tuned for the review that's coming soon, and also do remember to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links down below, and remember to like and subscribe as well. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!